4:35 in the morning, and I'm getting ready to head out to go to the mountains. I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. I really love I just woke up, and basically we're going oh no, we're going. I'll just show you when I get there. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. And I'm about to bring you guys along with me. I'm about to get ready right quick and just put on some clothes. And I'll see you guys when I get on the road. I'm in the car. My face looks naked. My eye is itching. Yeah, I'm so tired. I did not want to wake up. But today, basically, we are going to West Virginia for today. We're going to this, it's like this big scenery place called Cooper's Rock. And my boyfriend's been begging me to go because he likes to do stuff like that. So we're gonna go and see how it is. See you guys when I get on the road. Guys, right now we're at Hardee's and we start to get some food. We're about an hour and 30 minutes away right now. And then after we leave here, we're gonna get back on the road. So we're gonna eat. And yeah, y'all haven't had Hardee's since back at home. And their chicken tenders be smacked. But we got breakfast. Tell me what? I didn't answer that out. I've been holding my pee for like 3 hours because we stopped to eat and I drank all my drink and we just walking to the restroom. It's kind of cold out. No, it's not cold, it's like chilly, but once I get back to the car I'll get back to you guys in a few minutes. Ooh, what the freak. To look at the overview for it. Oh, I gotta sneeze. Cooper's Rock. And now we walk into this other overlook that's called Ravens Trail. Man, it reminds me of like, what's that movie called? Friday the 13th. That campground. This whole place where we at, y'all.
Did you want to drive there or you rather walk there?
What do you want to do? How far is it?
It's 15 minutes to the trail. But the trail is a trail by itself.
Oh.
But I don't know if you want to.
Y'all, I don't have my glasses on. Because I should have tried these things on last night. Bro, they make me look like Pitbull.
You did.
Huh?
Oh, you did.
No, like, and I got a big forehead. But that's okay. But, y'all, we just walking right now to this trail. And it's gonna take like 15 minutes to get there. And it's not even cold out here. Oh wait, yes it is. I'm tripping. I'm tripping. Yes it is. It's chilly, y'all. It's chilly. Thank God it ain't sweating hot.
Yeah, it's gonna get there.
It's gonna get there though, but I'm gonna come back to you guys once we get to that trail because I know y'all just don't want to watch me talk the whole time and talk y'all head off. But I'll come back to you guys once we get there. Y'all, so we made it to the Stern Raven, whatever it's called, trail. Man, when I put the location on my Instagram, it said Rattlesnake Trail.
This ain't no rattlesnake trail.
It's got rattlesnakes on them darn signs. Rattlesnake. He trying to play somebody, and if I see something, I'm ready to go home. Nah, y'all, this is like wrong turn stuff right here. This ain't compared to what we did last weekend when we went. Oh fuck, bitch! See, this is why I can't come.
Watch where you going.
I am. See, y'all, I about broke my ankle, literally. I get back to you in a little bit because I can't walk down this hill, y'all. Y'all, look at this. We in the woods, just in the woods.
Okay.
I'm gonna go over here and there may be snakes.
Get in the mud.
Got me somewhere talking about there's this building right here. I'm tired. Yo, I got doo-doo all on my shoes. Like, it's big doo-doo. Doo-doo streaks. See, look, he don't even know where we going.
I didn't see this last time we just started this.
I thought y'all went on this trail last time.
We did, but this wasn't here. They weren't doing construction over here.
How you do construction? Yeah, we gotta try back around. Y'all already out of breath. And I'm about broke my freaking neck like 2 times. I'll get through here. Y'all, I'm so scared. Y'all just don't know. Earth. Yo. There we go again. We just walked up this other trail. The same trail we've been on. We just now getting to the darn second oversea thingy, oversight, whatever it's called. And yo, I cannot breathe. You have to climb up this hill thing. This ain't for the weak right here. I'll get back to you guys once we get there. Pretty day.
Yeah. Because I'm.
This is so pretty, y'all. Guys, we're back in the car. We literally walked for how long, babe? An hour and 43 minutes. Yeah, about an hour, almost 2 hours we walked that trail. It was very pretty, y'all. It was, but that junk is tiring. Man, you want to have the right shoes to get on that darn them rocks and stuff. Cause man, I twist my ankle and that junk's sore. It's not sore, but I know it's gonna be sore in the morning though. But right now we on the way back home, and I'll see you guys in a few.